Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevrolet Traverse and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter. This video will apply to Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. It is quite sunny outside, so I hope you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Now the engine air filter is located under the front hood, just under this air filter cover on the driver's side. Now to remove this cover, first you'll have to remove bunch of torx T20 screws. Now I'll try to show you the location of all of the screws. So I'll start from here. I'm not sure if I'll be able to show it to you. You see, so you have one screw here, and then if you follow this bottom line you'll find a bunch of screws. There is one supposed to be here which is missing on my car for some reason, so somebody in the past must have lost it. Then there will be one right here, so there should be one down here which is also missing on this car. And you will have two of them on the other side, so one here and one just here. And like I said, you will need a torx T20. Okay, so now remove those screws. Okay, so these are the screws. I had only 4, but you will have a bit more of them because some were missing on my airbox. And now this cover will be actually completely loose. You'll be able even to see the filter down there, you see. But now you can probably pull the filter out this way, but what I would recommend, you want to completely remove this airbox, and to do that you just have to loosen up this flat screw here. Do not remove it completely, and then you'll be able to wiggle off this cover of this rubber hose and get full access to the air filter. So just want to loosen it up, not completely remove it. Just like this. Okay, and once you've done that, you'll be able to completely remove it from this rubber hose. And now also what you can do, you can disconnect the MAF sensor. There is a black tab on top of this connector. You just want to press it and pull it out, right? And now there's nothing else holding this cover. You just want to lift it out, wiggle it out actually. There's a bunch of stuff here on the way, so you have to use both of your hands and just pull it out. Okay, and once you have this cover off, here is your engine air filter, and you can completely remove it. Then you can clean this airbox and then install the new filter the same way and put back everything together, and that's how you replace the engine air filter. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.